Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can edit video and also add music to your background while posting your video on your TikTok account from your laptop or PC. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your TikTok account on your Google Chrome browser, and then after you have opened your TikTok account, you can see you're on your For You page, and right here on the right hand side of your screen you can see an option for upload. To upload a video, just click on this. After you go on to upload, it will take you to TikTok Studio, where now you need to select the video that you want to upload, and after selecting your video, it will take you to this kind of screen where you can not only edit your description, add cover photo, and also schedule your post. And not only that, you can also see who can watch your video. But to edit your video, you can see on the right hand side an option for feed, profile, or web TV. If you click on any of these options, and just below the video preview you can see an option for edit video, and if you click on edit video, you'll be able to edit your video and add a background music to your TikTok video as well. And that's how you can edit your video and add a background music to your TikTok post while uploading it to your TikTok account. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.